everyone. I am Eiffel Grace M. Delatorre from BSHM 1E. Today, we're gonna show you our NSTP Activity 2, which is tower building, using these three materials, which are first, always paper, second, tape, and then lastly is scissors. Now, we will be dividing this whole section into 4 groups with 10 members each. And each group is tasked to build the tallest freestanding tower using only the provided materials within 15 minutes. I really learned a lot of things that are useful in our daily lives. First is patience. While building this newspaper towel, it really cost a lot of patience since hindi naman strong yung paper, and the only thing na napapastrong sa kanya ay ang scotch tape. And I also learned the importance of pagtutulungan. Kasi una sa lahat, hindi naman ito mabibuild ng isang tao lang. Pagkat mas maigi pa din na nagtutulungan tayo sa isang bagay.
What we've learned today is to build a unique and incredible tower. So, ang nagpapalakas po nito ay nagpapabrace ay scotch tape. And then ang ginamit po namin material ay scotch tape, newspaper, and scissors.
Hello everyone, as you can see here, ito ang resulta sa paggawa namin ng paper tower. na-realize namin na ang teamwork ay isang susi na kailangan para maging success.